Frankly, if even just 10 of them have problems, that is like a...
In Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Waukesha County and southeastern Wisconsin until 6 p.m. At 5:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Waukesha Lake, moving southeast at 20 miles an hour. 60 miles an hour wind and quarter-size hail. Source radar indicated. Impact hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations include Parkland, Delafield, Waukesha Lake, O'Connell, Racine, LaBelle, Naushota, O'Connell, Milwaukee, Seneca, Mapleton, 60 miles an hour, Milwaukee, quarter-size and Munches. Source for your radar indicated to an interior room on the low hill damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Parkland, Delafield, Waukesha Lake, O'Connell, Racine, LaBelle, Naushota, O'Connell, Milwaukee, Seneca, Mapleton, Stone Bank, North Lake, Monterey, and Munches. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin until 6:15 p.m. At 5:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Waukesha Lake, moving southeast at 15 miles an hour. Hazard 16 miles an hour, wind and quarter-size hail. Thunderstorm warning for west central Locations impacted include Wheels, O'Connell, Dowson, LaBelle, Waterville, O'Connell, Milwaukee, Latcham Peaks, and Summit. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lower floor of a building. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm. Locations impacted include Delafield, Wheels, O'Connell, Dowson, LaBelle, Waterville, O'Connell, Milwaukee, a severe thunderstorm was located over Waukesha Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source radar indicated. Thunderstorm warning for southwestern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, central Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, 45 p.m. At 5:59 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located near Nelson County Lake, south at 15 miles an hour. Hazard golf ball size hail and 16 miles an hour wind gusts. Source radar indicated. Impact people and outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, and trees. Locations impacted include Ottawa, North Ridley, Waukesha, National Weather Service, Milwaukee, Sullivan, and Summit. This includes the following locations: Ottawa Recreation Area and Pinewoods Campground. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a thunderstorm warning for northwestern Waukesha County and southeastern Wisconsin until 10 p.m. At 6:57 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms anticipating heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain has fallen. Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a flash flood warning for hazard as flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source radar. Impact flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Delafield, Waukesha Lake, Oconomowoc, Lac Wabell, Waukesha, Oconomowoc Lake, Chenequa, Mapleton, Monterey, and Summit. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths in vehicles. Locations that will experience flash flooding include Delafield, Waukesha Lake, Oconomowoc, Lac Wabell, Waukesha, Oconomowoc Lake, Chenequa, Stone Bank, Mapleton, Monterey, and Summit. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation 20%.
Safety alert! Safety alert!
Dumpics are 10 for 14
What?
against current.
National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin until 10 p.m. At 6:57 p.m., Doppler radar indicating thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Delafield, Waukesha Lake, Oconomowoc, Lac Wabell, Waukesha, Oconomowoc Lake, Chenequa, Stone Bank, Mapleton, Monterey, and Summit. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Tatum, Brown, Smart all had 25 and 5 games in Game 3, and more importantly...